Hello guys, today we are watching 200 IQ Counter-Strike plays that will blow your mind. Okay, let's start.
He's right there, below me.
Hello.
Okay.
I gotta do it. I don't have anything to throw.
45 seconds.
Yes. Oh my god.
It was such a
Oh my
200
God,
IQ
yes.
idea, but you needed that luck and skill to get a play like that. Andy slaps here. Be sure to slap that like button. Let's hop it into the best in crazy.
Oh my god. What the fuck is that?
No.
It is very huge moment.
Kill lost, kill
Okay
lost.
guys. What the fuck? Yes. What the fuck is that? Yes. Oh my god. He is not a people. He is not a people. What the fuck?
If you ever have the chance
Very
to plant
unlucky,
the bomb
man.
inside of something, I strongly suggest it, because this guy put it inside of a pot, and the enemy had no idea where it was to defuse it.
What the fuck? What is this? Yes, yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is this real? Is it happening? What the fuck is that? Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god, very cool moment. Yes.
Want to win $100? Submit your funniest and best.
Yes, very silence moment. Very silence. What the fuck? Poor man. Oh my god.
These 200 IQ players wanted to get rid of a cheater in their game, so they decided to stand right in front of him and let his aimbot do the rest.
Yes. Hello, mates. Hello, mates. How are you? Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck? It is very funny. What the fuck? Oh my god, very cool.
This
Very
run
cool.
boost is
I love
absolutely
it.
absurd, but you gotta admit it gets the job done.
Yes. Okay, nice shot. Nice shot again. Oh my god. Yes.
Throwing a flashbang without throwing it is a great way to bamboozle the enemy and get them to turn around.
Yes. Very patient moment. Very patient. Oh my god, nice headshot. Nice headshot. It is amazing. What the hell? What the hell it is? What the hell? Oh my god. Oh my god. Very nice. Yes. Oh my
This player
god,
watched a simple clip
very
from the app
unlucky
too many
moment.
times, and everyone thinks it's a flashbang now.
Oh my god. What the fuck? Where are you? Yes, very fast and clear. Very fast and clear.
No one can back you up.
Wait, what?
Fuck it, dude.
This 200 IQ player knew exactly what they were doing when they planted the bomb and were able to get an easy lineup through the vents. Try not to fall for the genius bait and switch knife backstab because it works almost every time.
Oh my god, very genius moment.
You're at the
Very
disadvantage.
genius, man. Oh my god, what the hell? Yes. Like a hell. Oh my god. Oh my god, very crowd place. Yes. Nice.
This boost is super common, but the reason it works so well is one player would peek while the other held the angle and vice versa with the bait and switch.
Oh my god, where are you? Oh my god. Yes, yes, yes! Very nice team. Very nice team. Oh my god. Oh my god. Very serious. What? What the hell? Yes, nice team. Yes. Very silence. Very clever. Very clever. Nice
If
game.
you spot the
Nice
enemy,
game,
why
bro.
re-peek it when you have an op and can shoot through most walls?
Oh my god.
Are you?
Okay guys, thank you for watching me. Have a good day.